What are you doing? What are you doing? Besides being the cutest baby, like, ever. Look at you. Look at how cute you are. I know, I can't even stand it. Look how cute you are. Look at how cute you are. I can't even... Oh my gosh. You're like... If diabetes had an avatar, it would be you. Like, right here. Insta-diabetes. You know why? 'Cause you're so sweet. Conan. Conan. Oh my gosh. What makes you do that? What makes you just laugh for no reason? You're so cute. I can't even. I don't even. What? What? Goodness. See the kitty? Hey, Buffalo. No. Hello. Where's he going? Conan. You just, alright, you kill me. You kill me, kid. You got this.
I am going to die.
Little baby. Little baby.
There's the writing on this.
Oh, goodness. Oh, my goodness. Give me your hand. Conan. That face. Goodness. Look at how cute you are. Conan. Hi, baby.
Conan!
Conan now. Conan now. Bye-bye. Not you, Kai.